for parting my fair Pyramus and me.
I see a voice. Now I to the shape. Do you think I can hear my Thisbe's face? Thisbe!
My love, thou art. My love, I think.
Oh, kiss me through the hole of this foul wall. Kiss me through the hole of this foul wall.
I kissed the wall's hole, not your lips at all.
Well, go meet me at Knitting Tomb 9. Straightway.
Tide life, tide death, I come without delay.
That's a lie. Wall, my part discharged so. And be done this wall way. Just go. You ladies, you whose gentle hearts do fear the smallest monster smells that creeps on floor, may now, perchance, will quake and tremble here when lion rough and wild rage doth roar. Then know that I, once snug the joiner am, if I were as lion come and strike into this place, for pity on my life.
A very gentle beast of a good conscience.
A very exact beast, my lord, and ere I saw.
Let us see the moon.
This lantern doth the horrid moon present. He should have worn the horns on his head. This lantern doth the horned moon present. Myself, the man in the moon, do seem to be.
This is the greatest error of all the rest. The man should be put into the lantern. How is it else the man in the moon?
I am a-weary of his moon, what he would change.
It appears by a small light of discretion that he is in the way. But yet, in courtesy and all reason, we must stay the time.
Proceed. All that I have to say is to tell you that this lantern is the moon. Myself, the man in the moon. This thorn bush, my thorn bush, and this dog, my dog! Silence, here comes business.
This is Minnie's tomb.
Nine!
Minnie's tomb. Where is my love?
Roar. Well roared, lion.
Well run, Thisbe.
Well shown, Ghost. Truly, the moon shines with a good grace.
Well moused, lion.
Sweet moon, I thank thee for thy sunny beam. I thank thee, moon, for shining now so bright. By thy gracious golden glittering gleams, I trust to take the truest bliss beside. But say, oh spite, which mark, poor night, what dreadful dullness here? I do you see? How can it be? Oh, dainty duck, oh dear. Thy mantle good, was stained with blood, where lion hath deflowered my dear, which is, no, which was the fairest dame that lived, that liked, that loved, that looked with tears. Come tears confound, out sword and wound, wound, the path of Pyramus. High that love's path where heart doth throb, thus die I, thus. Now I am dead! Now I am fled! My soul is in the sky! Come, lose thy light! Moon! Take thy flight! Take thy flight! Now die! Die! Die!
once and her passion ends the play.
I hope she will be free.
Asleep, my love? What? Dead, my dove? Oh, Pyramus, arise. Speak. Speak. Quite dumb? Dead? Dead? A tune must cover thy sweet eyes. These, my lips. This cherry nose. These yellow cowslip cheeks. All gone. All gone. Lovers make moan. His eyes were green as leeks. Tongue, not a word. Come, trusty sword. Come, blade, my breast imbrue. Farewell, friends. Thus this be ends. Adieu. Adieu. Adieu.
Moonshine and lion are left to bury the dead.
I am bold too. Now assure you, the wall is down that parted their followers. Will it please you to see an epilogue?
No epilogue, I pray you, for your play needs no excuse. Fair lovers to bed, 'tis almost fairy time. Sweet friends to bed.